Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I want to show you guys a tutorial on how to create this beautiful bow. Oh my god, I knew when I saw this die that I needed it in my life. You guys already know that I'm a boho. Oh my god, I love bows so much, and so I was super excited to grab this one. It is called the Big Bow Beautiful Die from the Greetery. Okay, so it comes in this, they're all attached together as a plate. I wouldn't even take this apart, run it through your die cutting machine once, you guys. I love that you only have to run it once. This is my kind of die. I hate die cutting, and so if it's a quick, if I can do a 1, 2, 3, I'm in love with it. So these are all the pieces that it cuts out. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys how to put this together. It's super simple. I added some ink with this, but you do not have to do that, you guys. You can definitely run this twice and cut 2 different colors of cardstock, okay? And you can achieve this look as well. All right, so let's get started. These pieces, you're going to get 2 of each, okay? And they are going to fit perfectly on top of your bows. Like so, okay? They're going to fit perfectly. So all I need you to remember for this bow die is the middle, you want it to look like a C. Everything is going to fall into place as long as you imagine this middle being the center, C for center, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to grab these 2 pieces here, and they're going to line up like a C. There goes that C shape. There goes that C shape. They're going to glue together to create that C shape, okay? But before I put them together, I want to ink this part, because it will be showing. I'm just using this little thing that I got from Hobby Lobby. I like to use it for smaller, inking smaller areas. You can use a Q-tip. And don't worry about this not being neat, because we're going to cover this top up with that piece anyways, okay? So I'm just going to ink those. And again, you don't have to do this part. Use different color cardstock. Do whatever you like. Be creative. Okay, here goes the other one. I'm just going to ink up right where that slit is, the entire bottom. That's going to be the shadow of our bow. Okay. This die is a must-have. I'm so happy I have it. Okay. Now we're going to simply glue these with the slits onto these pieces, okay? So again, everything cuts in one pass. You got all your pieces in one pass. Let's go ahead and glue this. And you can pop this up on foam to give a dimension. I think that would be cute. But I'm just going to simply glue it. Okay. Just glue it. Don't worry about the middle. Don't worry about anything. And there goes your top piece. And let's do the bottom. And always remember the C, okay? That's how you know what's top and what's bottom. Okay, so we'll glue this part to here. Don't worry about that center. There we go. And then I'm going to add whatever's left over. Well, we'll do that then. Okay, so again, C. See, I had it flip this way. Turn it back over to a C. I'm going to add glue, and I'm going to attach these on that middle part, making it a C. Just like so. Okay, guys? Look at how simple. Just remember that C in the middle. Okay? Next, we are going to grab these pieces, are going to be our bottoms, okay? And they might get like mixed up or whatnot. You're like, which one goes which way? Remember the C, okay? So we're just going to follow that and put the C just like that, okay? Super simple. Just Just gotta remember that center. All right, and then we're just gonna glue this once again. You can put it on top or behind. I'm gonna go behind, okay? Following that centerpiece. And before I add my center, I'm gonna go ahead and ink up some of these parts. I'm gonna use the excess that I have on here, and I'm just gonna lightly brush where those embossed lines are, just to give a little some extra. And I'm gonna put a little bit right here in the middle. Kind of gives it some dimension. And I'm also gonna put some on the middles here. Okay, and then also these embossed lines. And I'm just using the excess of whatever's left over. I don't want this to be too dark. And if you're curious, I'm using the Michaels Blush cardstock, the regular 65-pound weights cardstock. Okay, again, using that excess and just brushing along those lines. Okay, and we are going to once again line everything up with that C in the middle. So I'm gonna have this one behind. I did cut 2 of each, and I don't know where are my other pieces. My center, of course. Of course. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the center from this one and show you guys. I like to pop this on foam. So I just put a little piece of foam tape, and you're just gonna simply glue that to the middle. And there goes your beautiful bow, okay? And then you also have this strap. And you want to ink that too if you decide to ink. I think it'll look nice on the edges. So let's do that. This die set is so cute, you guys. This will make a really cute, simple card. Do a better job at inking than me. But I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm not gonna go all the way down. I don't think it's needed. Let me just get it done. So that when I'm ready to put it on a project, it's ready. So I have like a little card base that I cut out for another project. Here, just a regular little card. And look at how cute this is gonna look on here. If you put this here, make sure you snip where there's excess. Let's do it this way. So look. And then add your bow. And look at how cute, guys. It looks like a little gift. Isn't that so cute? This die set is a must-have, you guys. Make sure you snatch it. And then you also get this little tag that you can dress up. You can put some greens behind here. You can do whatever you like. This can be used in so many different ways. You can put it on the corner. You can have this going across like that. That would be cute. Oh my God, it's so adorable. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.